What it do, YouTube?
It's your boy Gleezy.
It's your girl Lynette.
And today we back with another pretty decent.
Back on another little video.
And we back with another video, you feel what I'm
So
saying?
what we doing today?
Today we trying to rap snacks. It's gonna be like a, I don't know, it's not a challenge, it ain't. It's like a little mukbang / challenge, whatever. But hey, come on. That gum shit, stop. Alright, so guys, we doing a little taste of the rap. Hey, come on.
What we doing? Come on, do it. I'm right here.
Jesus. Right, so what we doing today is we trying, you feel me, rap snacks, you feel what I'm saying? So we got the Boosie Badasses, the Boosie Badass, then we got the, what's his name? We got the, hey, you doing too much, Maru.
We got Cardi B somewhere. We got Waka Flocka. No, we got Fetty Wap. We got Lil Boosie, and we got
Biggie Smalls. Then we got the Migos.
Yeah.
You feel what I'm saying? It's hot.
So which one you want to try first?
You zoom.
Let's try Cardi B.
Nah. So
I
what we gonna do? We gonna take it.
Got that wop. Got that wop.
No, I'm spamming the first of all. We gotta start it over, right? So 1, 2, 3. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy
I'm not
Gleezy.
starting it over. No, come on. I like my little poof balls.
Man, anyways, go get that merch. Go get the merch. Alright, so today we about to do the little rap snack joints. We got, you feel me? We got Biggie Smalls, we got the Migos, we got Cardi E.
That is not Biggie Smalls. This is Boosie.
This is Biggie Smalls.
This is Boosie.
I didn't say Boosie yet.
That was Boosie.
I didn't say
That
Boosie
was
yet.
Boosie.
I picked up Biggie Smalls.
I didn't know.
Anyways, I already
but
tried these.
Nobody understand me, man. They don't rock candy, man.
What's his
I've
name?
been going through some things.
Hey, come on.
And I hope it's still in change. I've been going through some things.
Hey, you do it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so which one we trying first?
Cardi B, because I got that wop.
They're not even all that good. We all trying out.
I don't have that wop.
I said these.
Do I have that wop?
I don't like
Do I have that wop?
Most definitely. Alright. You do the honors since you got the wop.
Okay, what is it? Hot cheesy?
I don't know about these. See the table wet?
I mean, I gotta take my gum out. Damn. Spit flying in my mouth and shit. Rip that piece off of me.
Where what?
Put something on. Oh, no, I got this piece right here.
You brought it out. Come on, there you go. We're gonna tell them to say hi to the vlog since they want to call. Shit.
Did I kill it or?
Yeah, you look cute. Say hi to our YouTube channel.
Oh my god.
She said, hey.
That was a good.
Yeah, let me call you back though. Your makeup is cute. It's bomb.
Okay. Bye.
Alright, so guys, we back.
We been back.
Come on, man. Let me tell you something. Hey, come on. You taking up the cameo choke too?
They regular.
She got a few of them though, and
They regular. They not even that spicy. It's talking about habanero. It's not habanero.
habanero hot though. We had the other thing. Is habanero hot? All right, so we're gonna try next. All right, look, we're gonna try these right here.
Nah. I want to try Boosie. Because I've been going through some things.
That's out, my nigga.
Don't nobody understand me, man.
Man.
I've been going through some things. You grab one too. Come on. You already ate these.
I tried these once.
I know.
They straight. Now you going through some things. Boosie, you see how she feel? Oh, you know me, I'm trash. Oh.
I've been smoking on perk, ease my mind.
I'm trying to do a lot of cleaning. I'm spitting. I ain't trying to do all this cleaning now. Alright. We tried the Boosies.
Let me put my scarf on.
That's straight. Nah, but
Feeling real scarfy. Let's put the scarf on. You gotta be ready for whatever. Anything might come up. Okay. Let's try the Migos. What they say? You know the only song I know by them is Happy and Welcome.
Why is that?
Cause I don't know.
Them tough boys too? No young? I'm trying.
Damn, I already put another one in there. Let me do it like you just did it. Let me do it like you just. None of them. Get those hot ones over there.
These ain't viable.
Get them. Get
Sorry, my
them
nigga Migos. I fuck with the music.
Is it Fetty Wap? What's his name?
Nah, this is Lil Yachty. I tried some of these, and I know she gonna feel them. I know she gonna feel them.
These some small ass Hachita bus.
I'm gonna taste them. Them eatable right there, you know that. Yes, ma'am. Good taste. Hot. Hot. Hot.
Damn. People blowing me the fuck up. Like, let me do my fucking intro. What you going on today?
What you doing on now? You doing too much, man.
Mm.
You ain't even letting them know. Alright. You solid. Messing with the Yachties.
Biggie Smalls. R.I.P.
He says you want buck you try to book that yacht. What do you say? Fuck try to book that yacht. You wanna fuck with them. I'll fuck with them. Cardi B. Cardi young. How many bitches is
That's the only song you know she just came out with a new song. Sing that motherfucker.
I ain't saying nothing. I don't
Sing that
listen.
motherfucker.
Alright. Stop pointing me in my chair. Sweating now. Why you pulling my shit like that, man? Man, I'm fire, but they just do regular lays in them. Regular lays.
What's this song?
Going back to back.
That's weak. No, he got a better song than that.
Man, ain't nothing like coming to oops. It ain't nothing like coming to Cali. You feel me?
Ain't nothing like coming to Cali, but he got a better song that I was thinking of, and I thought she was gonna sing it.
I love when you call me Big Pop, but throw your hands in the air.
No, when he was rapping about what's it called?
Cause you having my baby, huh?
When he was rapping about what's it called? His girl.
I don't know. Long live the legend, but I wish my nigga podcast something. I ain't gonna diss him like that, but you feel what I'm saying? Now we about to get some of the WAP. You feel me? Some of the WAP. God forgive me, that ain't funny. This nigga got half a bag. Literally half a bag, Maru. They must didn't see what they was doing, huh? Look at that. God damn.
He really did see. He did see like a motherfucker. All of them spilled out. Eat this.
What is this? Honey
jalapeno. I just had Taco Bell, and I don't want to mix all this stuff together because my stomach is going to start hurting. But hey, for the rappers, I will. For you guys, I will.
For the rappers, I will. For you guys, I will. Oh my goodness.
Oh my motherfucking goodness. This one's good. This honey jalapeno was actually good. What is this on my hand? That came out your mouth.
That was off the chip. See how she be trying to do me, my oops. Anyways, we
need you guys to like, we need you guys to comment, and we need you guys to
subscribe.
You
feel me?
Say it again.
Subscribe.
Say it again.
Subscribe. It's hot, man. Hot as a mofo.
I still got chips in my hand. Because he was supposed to take these from me. Eat this one. Oh, just eat it.
Excuse me.
See? You see how he be?
Right, it's nasty.
No, it's not nasty. This one was not nasty. Open your mouth. Boy, you are so fucking extra. I don't like you. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe.
Spam in the comments, team
Lynette, because I just got him with a Ratchet reaction prank with the rap snacks. With my scarf and my 2 ponytails. Did that.
You ain't doing
It's like clockwork. It's like clockwork. Yeah, it wasn't bad. I put it on a piece of paper so I could eat it.
I ain't say it was bad, but I'm saying you just got that eating chips. It's gonna be all in the gum.
I'm good.
Anyway,
like, comment, and subscribe.
Spam in the comments, Team Blue.
Team Lynette, because that's all you see is Team Lynette.
Whatever, we out of here.
Peace.